Hi, this is Julie with Three Sister Sundries. I'm back today with another page or two in my December documented. But today I am going to be using a die cut from, well, I designed it, but I got the idea from a photo play die cut that they had. It was for their O Canada set for Christmas. I can't remember whether it was last year or the year before. But anyway, it's Ho to the third power. So I have cut these letters out. I've got 4 H's and 4 3's glued together. I cut out 9 O's and I've stacked a few of them. I thought I would leave the last couple of layers so I could show you how I do that. And we are going to make a shaker out of the O. So let me just, if you would rather, you can use foam tape for this instead of stacking all these O's together. But I didn't have black, and I didn't want to have the look of white tape. These O's are a little bit tricky because they are not exactly round. I will leave a link to the cut file for you. I have to figure out how to make it an SVG or a PNG or something so that those of you with a Cricut can also use the file. I designed it on my Silhouette, so it's a studio file, but I will see if I can figure out how to turn it into something that everyone can use. So just put a little layer of glue and just line them up. And they stack, and hopefully this will be a thick enough stack to put our shaker elements in and have them move around. Now for my page base, I've used a white with the embossed dot on it, and I've cut it to 6 by 8, and I have also left 1 ring for the top, and I've cut a piece of acetate that is just smaller than the outside edge of my O. So what my idea and what my thought was to take a sticker from the sticker sheet, and I was hoping that this little Santa in the car or truck would fit. I think it will, so I need to figure out how to line that up. So maybe I'll glue my H, because I know everything is going to have to be pretty squished in there, and maybe I ought to punch my holes first thing so that I know where I can put this. I may have to put this in the center of the page. I'm not sure. Oh gosh. It may or may not work at all. I think I'm going to have to put my H over on the other side of the hole so it will work. I don't think it's going to fit in the center. Although it would be cute in the center. It would still have to be on either side of the holes. But I thought, my thought would be to put a picture of my daughter with Santa, even though she's a teenager and she probably won't want to be with Santa, and maybe there won't be any visits with Santa this year. We'll see, because of COVID, but anyway, but that's my idea for this. So I think I will glue down at least the H and then decide where I need to put my sticker. Okay, I'll bring that down just a little bit so that you can see at least the top edge of the paper. glue that down. Maybe I'll glue my 3 also. Ugh, stringy glue. Okay, let's see where we are going to put this sticker. Now it's going to have to go under the O a little bit, so I think we'll put it down and then press all around the edges. Is that even straight? That may be a bit crooked. Okay, so there is Santa in there. So let me glue down this O. Okay, now for shaker elements, I have these cute candy stripes from Dress My Craft, so I want a few of those in there. I don't want anything too bulky because I don't have a lot of room even with this many layers, and I have these flat white sequins. Oh, you know what, I should wipe that with my dryer sheet before I get too many things in there, just because these sequins are so staticky. Okay, now we'll add another pinch of these little white ones. And I have these little, oh, I haven't even opened those. These little pearls from Dress My Craft, and these are kind of like different sizes all together. And I wanted to add just a touch of pink. There we go. Just a touch of these little pink ones. And maybe a tad of red. Color, and then this shinier, traditional looking sequin. Okay, and I think that's probably about all we're going to get. I want to leave room that we can still see Santa. Okay, so now it's time to add my acetate. I'm going to do that with 1/8 inch score tape. Carefully remove the backing paper, and I am also going to wipe my piece of acetate with my dryer sheet to get some of the static off, and then we will add that. Press that down really well. And now I will add another layer of the score tape to put my last O on there to cover this up. this up well. These O's are not exactly round, so it's kind of hard to line them up. But I think that looks, well, pretty good. I think it will work. Alright, so there's our cute little shaker. Oh, I love it. I love those little candies in there, and you can still see Santa. Okay, now to finish off this page, there is a little belt buckle. Santa's little belt buckle sticker I want to add to the bottom. There we go, and then trim this off. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, and then we just need to add a number. Okay, and then with this page we could probably add some bigger numbers. And what number are we even on? 14. 14. Let's see. This one I have a 1. These letters are in bad shape. Are all unstuck. I may have to glue this one down. And a 4. So just down there at the bottom. Oh, I love that. That turned out so cute. Okay, and on the other side, just something pretty simple. I have cut matting paper to go on the back, this cute candy stripe, and I'm just leaving a 1/4 inch border all the way around. I think I'll use my tape runner. Maybe should have added this before I started my shaker, but I think we'll be able to get it on here okay. And then I'll repunch my holes with this. There we go. All right, and to go with this, I don't really want to cover any of this up, so I am going to turn this into a little tag. Let me grab my tag punch. And let's see how much of a put that on. Did I put that on D? I think I put that on D. And then do a hole. That will be cute. And then I've got this ribbon that I got on a package that just says ho ho ho. And I may have to make that hole a little bit bigger if I want to put anything else. If I want to put any ribbon in it. Those on. We'll cover up the R just a little bit. but you can still tell what it says, so that's okay. Alright, and then I just want to stick that through there. Just tie one knot up at the top. If it will stay, I may have to try 2 knots. I think that will stay, and then that will just go on the hook, or the ring, not the hook, the ring, just like that. And so I just need to add a number, and we are on 15, right? And I have plenty of room, so I'm going to add one of my ginormous glittery red letters here. I have a 15 left. I think I'll put it over here at the bottom. All right, let's put this in our book and see how it looks. Okay, that is just going to go, no, I gotta figure this out, like this. That way it can just kind of free float in there. However, and then we have our cute Santa shaker page. Oh, all my candies are stacking up. And then our cute striped page. I don't know what will go on there, but we'll find something. And then our Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I decided that I also want to put some rickrack on this, on the bottom. But I think I want to put it on from the back so that just the bottom shows through on the front side. So I'm going to trim off that edge. Get my Fabri-Tac. And just put a little on that bottom edge. And apply that so that that bottom shows below the card. That way the back will be decorated a little bit and you will see that just a little bit from the front. Alright, that looks pretty cute. So let's put that back in the book. Oh, that is cute. All right, that will do it for today. Next week we will be working on the door die by Elizabeth Crafts Designs, so stay tuned for the fun idea I have for that one. Thanks for watching.